Hello everyone, it's Galbi. Today I'm going to make Korean 잡채. It is made out of starch noodle with vegetables. I'm going to use 250 gram of noodle. It can serve up to 4 to 6 people. Actually, it depends on how much you eat. So let's get started. As I said earlier, we will need 250 gram of 잡채 noodle and half onions, third carrot, 4 shiitake mushroom, a quarter bell pepper, and 1 bundle spinach, and 250 gram of beef. I'm using ribeye steak. First, we are going to chop the beef and marinate it with soy sauce and sesame oil. I'll cut it off the fat. Cut it very thinly. Then I'm gonna cut them in half here. So it's supposed to be look like this. Put them in a bowl with soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Give them a little massage and keep them aside for about 15 minutes. I'm going to cut the shiitake mushrooms into strips. If you are using dried shiitake mushrooms, make sure to pre-soak for about 30 minutes in warm water. You can just slice them thinly. I'm going to marinate it in with soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We are going to boil the spinach. Bring the water up to a boil. When water starts to boil, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Put the spinach into pot and boil it for about 30 seconds. The reason we put the salt in it is to reduce the loss of vitamins from the spinach, and it makes the color brighter. Drain all the hot water. Rinse them with cold water. And then squeeze the water from the spinach and keep it aside. Now cut the onions into strips thinly. Slice the carrot into strips. Let's cut the paprika into strips. Chop the spinach finely. I'm going to season the spinach with salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix them. Keep it in a bowl. Then now I'm going to boil the noodle for about 7 to 8 minutes. While the noodle is boiling, we are going to stir fry the vegetables to save some time. I'm going to start with onion and paprika and carrot. Put a little bit of vegetable oil. Put the onions on the frying pan and season with salt. And stir fry them until the onions become transparent. The reason I stir fry the vegetables separately is all the vegetables require different time and heat to be cooked. You see the brown color on the onions and they become transparent. Keep them in a big bowl. Add more vegetable oil. Put the paprika and put them in a big bowl. Lastly, put the carrots. When carrots are cooked, put them in a big bowl. I'm going to drain the hot water from the noodle and give it a shower with cold water. drain the water completely. Let's continue to stir fry the beef and mushrooms. Put the mushrooms. When the mushroom becomes brownish color, you can put them in a big bowl with other vegetables. The medium-low heat, we are going to stir fry the beef. You have to cook it well done. Put them into big bowl with other vegetables now. Use the scissors to cut the noodle because they are very long. Now let's make the sauce. 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. I'm going to add Korean cooking syrup. If you don't have it, feel free to use honey. 4 tablespoons of it. Bring it up to medium heat. Put all the noodles on it, on a pan, and pour the sauce on it. I'm going to bring them up to a boil. If you see no sauce left on a pan, and you can turn off the heat, let it cool for about 5 minutes. Alright, noodles cool down. I'm going to put them into a big bowl and mix them together. Put the spinach and mix all the vegetables first. I think I need a bigger bowl because it's already full. Put the noodles and vegetables on top and just mix them well. Let me show you guys. For the garnishment, I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seeds. And we are all ready. Let me just taste it with the beef. Alright, let me taste it. It's salty and sweet, and it's very rich in flavor. I love it. And all the vegetables and beef and noodle. Very good. Thank you for watching this. If you liked it, please give me a thumb down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!